If Discord is showing a new login location detected message, don't worry, this is usually just a security check and not a sign that your account is broken. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it, what to check if the login email doesn't arrive, and a few extra steps that can help when Discord keeps blocking the sign-in. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord in your browser and go to the login page. Enter your email and password and try signing in again. In many cases, Discord simply wants to confirm that it really is you, especially if you're logging in from a different device, a new location, or a network it hasn't seen before. Now check the email inbox connected to your Discord account. Look for a message that says something like new login detected or verify login attempt. This is the confirmation email Discord sends when it needs to verify that the login is safe. Open that message and click the verify or confirm login link inside it. Once you do that, go back to Discord and try logging in again. If you didn't get the email, don't panic. The first thing to do is check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes the verification message gets filtered there by mistake. If it still isn't there, return to the Discord login screen and use the resend email option if it's available. Then give it a minute or two and refresh your inbox again. If Discord is still blocking the login, the next thing I recommend is turning off any VPN or proxy you're using. This is one of the most common reasons the new login location detected message appears. Discord may see the VPN as a different country or region, and that can trigger the security check. After disabling the VPN, try signing in again using your normal connection. If you usually use a specific Wi-Fi network, try logging in from that same connection instead of switching networks. Discord is much more likely to trust a familiar network than one it has never seen before. If needed, restart your browser and try again after that. A simple refresh can sometimes clear up a temporary login issue. Next, if the problem continues, clear your browser cache and cookies. On Windows, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together. Set the time range to all time, then clear cookies and cached files. This removes old session data that could be interfering with the login process. After that, reopen your browser and try signing in one more time. You can also try Incognito Mode. On most browsers, you can open a private window with Ctrl, Shift, and N. This gives you a clean session without old cookies or saved login data. It's a great way to test whether the issue is coming from your browser rather than your Discord account. To understand why this happens, Discord looks for things like a new device, a new IP address, a new location, or VPN usage. When it notices something unusual, it asks you to verify the login for safety. So in most cases, this is just Discord protecting your account. Once you complete the verification email, remove the VPN if you're using one, and clear your browser data if needed, the login usually works again without any further issues. If this video helped you fix the new login location detected error on Discord, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.